Hello everyone. Today we learn about grep. Okay, grep is very important and very useful. Useful for everything actually. For me, I want you to be master this command. This very useful. And you see when you work in system administration, Linux, Unix, whatever, grep is very important and useful for debugging, for finding, for anything. Okay, and this for me, for my experience, this is the most important option with grep. Okay, I will make this a separate video so at least you know how the power of grep, because really sometimes I work with other networking team or something, they have less knowledge about grep really powerful. Okay, so we do some comment. I will show you how the powerful are grep. Okay, example, I am in the server. Okay, I make some file. If you see in /temp, okay, I make some file here, test. Okay, I put my name inside test. One of them 2 time, one of them is 1 time. Okay, so I will show you how the power or grab, how to find anything you want. Okay, example, I am in /temp. If I open, for example, /temp, okay, I found a lot of command. Okay, sorry, I create a lot of file here. For example, five files. I put my name here. Okay, so example, you open a directory, you're searching for IP address, you're searching for word or other or any debugs or files or something. You want search for whole. You can search actually by grep. No need to search by find or anything. What we do, example, I try to find my name, Tariq name in this whole directory. Okay, what I do, I see grep. Okay, we learn one by one. Okay, first we learn our power of -I, perform case insensitive. What I mean, example, I search for Tariq. I put all these lower letters or a small letter. Okay, and I put star. Star means search for whole directory for my name. Okay, if you see here, some of them you see is this directory, means they cannot access. Okay, this is a directory, means it's not file to search in, because it's a directory folder, cannot search in. Okay, this is correct. It's just a directory, I cannot search inside, only is file. And if you see here, they show me this file have Tariq, this file have Tariq. If you see here 2 time test, I have Tariq 2 time. Okay, for example, oh, it's enough. Maybe I have Tariq more, but it's different letter, means a capital letter or something. I can add -I. Okay, I search for word Tariq, but make it case insensitive. And remember, if one word, no need to close it by quotation. Okay, if you have one more than word like space, you want to put another word, you can put with quotation. But if you search for one word, no need quotation. Okay, now I search the same things but with -I, means give me Tariq capital letter, small letter, whatever, give me Tariq, if Tariq word. Okay, I search on star. Okay, star is shift and number 8 in the keyboard. Okay, search for whole directory, I am inside, and /temp I am inside, search for all my name, click enter. Now you give me more. See, even I say Tariq capital letter and small letter and like this, and he give me all. Why? I put case insensitive. Search for me this, whatever here. Okay, this is the power of -I, means case insensitive. Okay, this one also good example. I search with cat. Okay, cat, he read all the output. Example for this file, example for password, for this, you give me all the user inside. Okay, then I see grab for user. I search for user called Layla, example. If I see like this, they will give me the line, oh, Layla have match. If I put example one Mike, okay, Mike is not exist. Okay, if I put like this and the output is nothing, means this Mike is not exist. Okay, if I put -I, means Mike was capital or letter, I will read everything for Mike. Grab is very powerful. Okay, so I search for Mike is not exist, means this user doesn't exist. Layla exists because why? I have one line here, is mean Layla user is exist in the system. Okay, then we go the second flag or second option, -R. Okay, -R is very useful. Why? You can read from any directory and subdirectory. If you see the first arrow here, they see this file is directory, I cannot find here. I give example, I search to /var. Okay, cd logs. Okay, log ls-l. I have this all logs. For example, I'm searching for one IP inside this all, but I don't know which the IP exists here for this file. Okay, I will take my IP as example dash IPA. I take this IP because the IP of the system, I am sure they have some logs about this IP. So I do the same things. I see grep dash I is this number. You can put I without I, is up to you. Okay. Then I see search for everything here. I put star. Okay. Then they search. They will give me a lot of file. Means this message have this output many time. Okay. File message. This file also have. Okay. But if you see here, they see is this a directory. I cannot search inside the folder. This one also same. You see, is that inside the folder? I cannot search. This also I cannot search inside the folder. So what do? We have another option, another flag called dash R, small or capital. Okay. So I add same things and dash R or capital R means search for me for all subdirectory. Even inside the directory, you go inside and search for me. Why I tell you grep is very, very powerful. I click enter. If you now he search everything, even inside the directory, he will search. Even inside any directory, no, the arrow is gone. If you see the first arrow, now it's very many, is like many things you cannot see. But if I go up, okay, it's too much file. Okay, if you see here, before you see is this directory, right? But now he can access the directory and can find all the word or IP inside this file. Okay, now you see like the screen is full. So I want just which file this IP exists. Okay, I wish I can find this command. Actually, it's have. If you here see here dash L, L display only the name of the file contain the pattern or the search. Okay, so for me, I see okay, which file actually the IPs exist, because you see here is like mess up. Okay, so with grep everything is available and exists. So you add dash L means give me only the file this IP exists, and dash R search for any directory. Let me remove R first. I will show you what's the different. Now if I see like this here, give me only the file. They give me two file. One called message. You see the color message, and secure. Only this file the IP exists. Okay, but for me no. I want inside this directory search for me if I have this IP also. So I place dash R. You can put R anyway in the back or front. Now he searched inside all directory and they found only one file inside editor directory or folder. Inside this editor is have one file called editor.log. My IP inside. If you see here, the first one here, all IP inside this editor log file. Okay, so grep is very, very powerful search. Okay, so for me, if my advice for you, you master it. And this, I think you this option of flags, you have to remember it is very, very useful. Okay, now we learn about dash L, means display only the file if you want to see the file. Dash V is reverse. Okay, let me put reverse in the end, then I will tell you what's the difference between reverse or without. Okay, okay, I put last one. Then we back from dash L, dash N. Okay, what's the difference between dash N? If I go to my example first about Tariq, grab for me Tariq name. Inside temp folder, I put star. Okay, he search. Okay, he give me Tariq inside this test 1, test 2. If you see here, Tariq in test 4, I have 4 time, right? I have Tariq in test without any number, have 2 time. For example, no, I want to see the numbers. Example, the IP or Tariq inside the file. I can use what? Dash N flag is very, very useful. So, dash N means show me the line, the number. This is dash C, I mean how much. I will show you later. Let me, to make it easy to explain. Okay, we learn about dash I, dash R, dash L, show me, dash C. We start by C. Okay, for example, Tariq, I can see is mini file, so I don't want to see all the file. I want to see just numbers. I just dash C. Okay, so they tell me inside this file Tariq is exist only one time. Inside this number 2 is exist one time. Inside this 3 Tariq does not exist at all. Okay, the good things inside this 4 you show me 4 time, means if maybe I have error or I have some authorized or authentication error, I can see which file his exists, especially for login. If login attempt is log many time, you can log slash var logs, you can find which file. If it's inside sue, means somebody tried to sue and he have a lot of error. You can see the error how many time. With dash C, I can see how many count, just count for me. So I found Tariq name, he inside this file 4 time, inside this file is 2 time. So this is very useful to see where or how many have been attempt in this file. Okay, C is very useful. N, you show me the line exactly, means what? If I open this file cat, let me open this one because this one have many time, cat 4. Okay, you see here Tariq number, line number 1, maybe number 3, line number 7 or X. If I see like this, same, okay, grab, but for me N. Okay, they show me the line, means in test number 4, Tariq line number 3. Okay, then line number 11, if you count by 11, 1 2 3 4 4, 11 again happen, and line again number 16, the line. Okay, line. Okay, so I found how many line he's come. Example, line 1 he come, line 1, line 1 2, line 3 if you see number 3, and line 11 if you count like 11, and line like this. So this one is, if for example you want to see the IP come from where and which file, or you can see which line exactly he come from. Okay, maybe this is like useful for you or not, just keep it in your mind. Okay, for the most useful I use for my daily is dash I, dash R, dash L. Okay, dash C seldom I use, but it's very useful. Dash N seldom I use, is very useful. Okay, dash A and dash P sometimes I use, but it's also very useful. I will give you one example. Okay, with dash W, so we can learn this in same time. Okay, for example, I search for IP address. Okay, let me clear screen. Okay, dash IPA. Okay, if you see IPA, okay, I see my IP inside this word. Okay, this line inside the interface LO, my IP is this line. Okay, so I know this line can have the IP address. If I see ifconfig, the old command, same things. If you see the IP inside this line, start by init, also this init, so I can grab by this word. Okay, so I see like this and grab for I for this line. Okay, if I see this line, they will give me the IP only. So now I give me IP, right? They give me IP 1, and you see init 6 because the same word, same pattern, right? Init, but it's plus 6 and give me this IP 6. Okay, same things here and give me IP 6. So exactly, no, I want just init exactly this word. You can use W, match the whole word exactly. Means if I put W dash I, sorry, W dash W means give me exact word. Anything extra or minus, I don't want. So if I do like this, it's the same. They show me 2 line only. So number 6 doesn't show me. Why? Because I want search for exact word in it. Okay, so W is just show you the exact word. Now you show me exact word. Okay, why I'm using of dash A and dash P is, for me, is very useful. Why? Because sometimes I want matching word or matching line, but give me some line before or after. I will give you the same example here. Let me clear the screen. Let me ifconfig first. Okay, and IPA, sorry, ifconfig again, dash A, and grab for me, we see init. Okay, dash W by exact word init. So they show me this IP, right? 192.168 ending by 15, this IP, but I want to see the interface. Interface, this one name interface, right? This is the network interface. So example, I want this one with this line. I want this one come from which one interface, especially if you work in Docker. Okay, sometimes if you see IP config A, you will see around 10, more than 10 interface. So most of them is virtual interface. So you see a lot of them. So many company, when you go inside ifconfig, you write, you find more than 10 or 20 interface. Most of them is virtual or virtual IP, VIP. Okay, so if you want search like this, is very troublesome. You can see a lot of IP. So you want search for this word, but you want see also the the interface. You can use dash A. Dash A or dash B means the matching line, I want something before or after. For this scenario, for my example, I want to see something before. Means this matching line, I want to see one line before that. I want to see what's the interface. This matching line, I want to see one line before that. I want to see the interface. So I can use the same and add dash B before. So this matching line, I see before that, give me 1. If I see after, means give me after that. So for me, I want give me before that. I give me example 2 line. Now you see matching and give me 2 line before. 1 line here and 1 line is empty. Let me reduce to before 1 line only. Okay, now he give me exact the matching line and before 1 line. They give me interface. This matching line and give me the interface. Give me 1 line. So for me, for my personal, EB is very useful for me because sometimes I search for one matching line, but I want to see after or before, especially for when I work on Ansible. Sometimes I see what's the line before. I was searching for IP or host name. Okay, so for me, for my experience, grep is very, very important. And if you master it or you remember all, you can make pattern. Okay, you can pattern with grep, you can pattern with cat, you can grep for many things. Okay, so it's very, very important. Last one is dash V. Dash V is opposite. Okay, means give me not the same line. Okay, sometimes I use, sometimes not, but sometimes it's useful for you. Example, you see here, if I see cat dash for users file. Okay, some of them I want to see example who have been bash, means who can log in, and you show me here no, but these cannot log in. Okay, for some me I want to see the opposite way, means give me everything grep I. If I see I bin or bash, okay, they give me who can access the system, right? I will see V opposite, means give me opposite, means give me the people don't have bash. They will give me all the user don't have bash. Okay, I give you another example. If I see cat to cd to temp, okay, you see this is my name inside this file. Okay, for example, I see grep I Tariq and all file, right? They show me Tariq is exist in file. For example, I am opposite. I see I don't want Tariq, I want anything except Tariq. I add just dash V. Okay, so opposite things. That will give me the all, but something's not Tariq because I put dash not I. Let me unsensitive. So they give me, let me clean screen. I run again. So you show me all things is not Tariq. V is opposite, means give me the name is not Tariq. Show me Google, Layla, Sam, Rex. Whatever is the name is not Tariq. Okay, this is only the difference. Means V opposite. For you example, you search for one word, it's not the same you want. Example, I want Tariq, I want opposite, means give me all file without Tariq. They show me all file. This one for all use. Example, I don't know how to use like examples. I give you just a simple example, but for real life, I don't know what pattern you're looking for. For example, you have IP search in host file, but you want to see opposite, means I don't want this IP, I want to see what others they have. Okay, so this is the most important command in grep, and grep, I tell you the truth, is very, very powerful. I work with many DevOps system administration. Sometimes they're looking for one line. Okay, I add dash W, really like oh, they think like that time I search for one file, especially in ifconfig. Okay, so they all searching by IP. The IP is very big list. So I just like that, and I see grep I or W in it. Okay, then I see grep the example dash A and give me the line. Okay, I search like this. I give him the interface and the IP, and they really surprised because the system was very big, and they don't know how to find the IP easily. So I found like this because they try some testing in networking, and they see if the IP change. So I keep running this command, and they're very, very happy with it because they can find everything is easier. They can see the IP and they say interface. So this is, if you are good in this, when you're helping other team like networking or DevOps or something is very useful. So grep for me is the most important and very useful for all field in network and Linux and Unix. Okay, hopefully you learned something new. If you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Have a good day.